Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your likes and comments from your friends on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application, and when you leave a like or leave a comment on a post or a reel on Instagram, usually your profile will pop up on the screen, and I'm going to go to the friends tab or the search tab. Okay, and usually your profile will appear right here guys, and it can be seen by your mood tool on Instagram, as you can see. And I'm going to show you guys how you can hide the likes or the comments you leave on Instagram. Okay, for example, like this step is very simple. You just need to go to your setting. I'm going to open up my profile, and then I'm going to go to the setting, click on the three lines, and here you're going to scroll down until you see the activity in friends tab. Okay, and if you want to hide your likes and your comments on reels in the friends tab, you can select no one, so no one can see your likes and your comment as well on the reels in the friends tab. Okay, and for your information guys, that not all accounts get this feature on Instagram, because I don't have this feature on my second account. Wait, I'm going to switch to my second account on Instagram, and I'm going to go to the setting, and there is no option that says wait, what is the name? I'm going to go back to my first account. The activity in friends tab, there is no this option on my second account, and I don't know, maybe the Instagram is still testing this feature, but there is a way to get this feature guys. You can try to report the problem to Instagram. For example, this is the account which has no activity in friends tab feature, so we can report this problem to Instagram. You can go to the report problem menu, go to help menu, and report a problem, and then you can describe what happened or what's not working on your Instagram account. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.